Hook 1. Are Gen Z's financial decisions reshaping the AI landscape and Wall Street's future? Hook 2. What happened behind closed doors that changed Iran's and Wall Street's fate overnight? Hook 3. Discover how one secret meeting between U.S. and Iran impacted both Wall Street and AI sentiment. Hook 4. Is Wall Street overlooking AI's role in a rapidly evolving geopolitical landscape? Hook 5. Uncover how Gen Z's shift in AI sentiment is shaking Wall Street's foundations. Chosen hook. Discover how one secret meeting between U.S. and Iran impacted both Wall Street and AI sentiment. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Dr. Fred Markets here with a captivating revelation. In today's tangled web of financial headlines, one dramatic event has sent ripples through both Wall Street and the AI landscape. You won't believe how a covert meeting between U.S. Iran and Iran diplomats has sparked a new trajectory, not only for international relations, but for financial markets and Gen Z's stance on artificial intelligence. Let's unravel this intricate narrative, starting with the immediate aftermath of the U.S. and Iran stepping back from the brink of conflict. According to the Wall Street Journal, this sudden diplomatic thaw has led to a stock market rally, with the S&P 500 rising by 0.58% to hit 679.91 cents, putting traders back in the green. The tension that gripped global markets eased as the likelihood of major geopolitical chaos diminished. This rally was not just a market reflex, but an expected relief of volatile pressure. However, the undercurrent of these movements might surprise you as it links back to an evolving narrative in the AI sector. Geopolitical developments have always had a significant impact on market sentiment, but what's interesting here is the parallel development in the tech domain. In the latest coverage by Axios, we see Gen Z starting to wane on the AI hype. This demographic, once heralded as AI's biggest cheerleaders, seems to be recalibrating their enthusiasm. The interplay between global stability and the tech sphere isn't mere coincidence. During times of geopolitical stability, technological optimism tends to flourish. Yet with Gen Z dialing down their AI fervor, a pertinent question arises. Could shifting global alliances and peace negotiations have a contagion effect on technological adoption? There's more at stake here than just peace treaties and stock prices. NVIDIA, a leading player in AI innovations and graphics technology, also saw a notable uptick by 1.01%, rising to 100 unit. The connection? As stability returns, companies like NVIDIA stand to benefit from renewed confidence across sectors that rely on both political peace and consumer faith in technology. If Gen Z's trust in AI diminishes, so could future consumer bases for these tech giants. Yet, global events can reignite interest and dictate growth in different, unexpected ways. But here's where you want to perk up, because Iran's claims of ceasefire violations could potentially unravel the progress made. Right now, we're at a cliffhanger where U.S.-Iran relations hang in balance, threatening to create more volatility. This uncertainty could reignite market turbulence, pulling S&P 500 predictions and NVIDIA's projections back into the vortex of doubt. Will the progress hold, or are we about to witness a reversal that shakes both geopolitical? Beyond the immediate stock ticks, there's another layer, a potential merger in the media landscape. With deadlines suggesting that Paramount may not replace Jeff Shell due to an impending Warner Bros. Discovery deal closure, industry insiders predict a significant corporate restructuring. Such moves could amplify the current trend of consolidating power among fewer hands in the media and technology sectors. This consolidation might appeal initially to investors with enviable returns, but could potentially lead to monopolistic tendencies, stifling innovation in areas like AI, where multiple players offer diverse ideas. The critical narrative here, we're witnessing a duality of stabilization and skepticism playing out in both financial markets and technological innovation. Investors are caught in a paradox, anticipating lucrative gains from market rallies rooted in geopolitical detente, while simultaneously navigating shifting tides in AI enthusiasm, led by a demographic pivotal for future industry adoption, Gen Z. As this story unfolds, I urge you to keep a keen eye on developing relationships and narratives. Whether it's the subtle diplomacy behind doors influencing Wall Street or Gen Z's sentiments reshaping AI's future landscape, the intersection of these evolving stories could well dictate the next big shift in the market. These broader connections offer savvy investors opportunities to strategically position themselves, not just to chase gains, but to hedge against emerging uncertainties. In wrapping up your action plan, reassess your portfolio allocations concerning sectors vulnerable to geopolitical turbulence and those tethered to cultural shifts like AI adoption. There's potential for significant growth in tapping into sectors well poised to benefit from renewed diplomatic efforts, while carefully watching tech stock trends shaped by emerging generational dynamics. I can't stress enough the importance of remaining informed and agile in these quicksand conditions. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to keep updated on crucial market insights and analyses. Follow this channel for your daily revelation of the hidden dynamics steering our economic landscape. Remember, the world of finance is not static, and being ahead in understanding these ripples can give you the investment edge needed in uncertain times. With this in mind, let's dive deeper into what this means for your portfolio strategy moving forward. As we analyze the influence of geopolitical events, it's essential to remember that markets often react before the full ramifications of these events are apparent. This is where forward-thinking strategies come into play. Investors who anticipate changes, rather than simply reacting, stand to benefit significantly. Now, when we talk about cultural shifts such as AI adoption, we're witnessing a paradigm shift across industries, from healthcare to retail, and even in agriculture. AI technologies are not only creating efficiencies, but also spawning entirely new business models. Consider how AI-driven data analytics can create predictive insights that drastically improve marketing and operational strategies. Companies that effectively leverage these innovations are likely to see substantial returns, which means pinpointing stocks in these sectors can be very lucrative. However, one must approach these opportunities with a discerning eye. It's not just about jumping on the bandwagon of the latest tech trend. Due diligence is vital. Evaluating a company's track record in research and development, examining their market adaptability, and understanding their long-term vision will help distinguish between fleet. Furthermore, let's not overlook the importance of diversification. It's tempting to go all in on sectors that appear promising, but spreading investments across several industries can buffer against sudden market volatility. As we embrace digital economies and new global alliances, keeping a balanced portfolio ensures that you're poised to capitalize on upsides while minimizing downsides. Finally, let's talk about the power of strategic patience. Investing isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Short-term market fluctuations are a natural part of the investment journey. Keep your sights on the bigger picture, as long-term gains are typically realized through steadiness and informed decision-making. Stay inquisitive, keep learning, and as always, let data be your guide in navigating through these transformative times. Remember, the market is ever-evolving, and adapting to its changes is crucial. Regularly revisiting your portfolio, reevaluating your strategies, and staying informed about global economic shifts can significantly enhance your investment outcomes. It's not just about reacting to changes, but proactively positioning yourself for future opportunities. Embrace the uncertainty, because within it lies the potential for growth and success. Make informed decisions grounded in research and stay committed to your investment goals. With a balanced approach and strategic foresight, you're setting yourself up for sustainable financial achievements.